Hi guys, you're watching Tech Prince and today we're gonna review the Swipe Elite Star 4G, the budget handset from Swipe, and let's have a look at the specifications of the device, which is a 4-inch screen, 1GB RAM, 16GB internal storage, 2000 mAh battery, 5MP rear camera, 1.3MP front camera. Now talking about the design aspect of this phone, the phone has a plastic build quality and the quality used is above average, though the back of the device has texture to help for better grip, and overall the build quality can be said okayish. And it's quite handy to be used in one hand. Also there is a 3.5mm headphone jack and the buttons are not backlit given below. Now talking about the display, the phone has a 4-inch 233 ppi WVGA display, and from which we can expect much, but the screen brightness is also not that good, and under direct sunlight or a place where we usually use the phone outside, so it's not that great under direct sunlight at 1 or 2 p.m. I usually found difficult to use this phone because I literally could not even see what I'm doing even at high brightness. This phone does not support auto brightness, so usually you have to keep it at full brightness all the time. Now talking about the performance and RAM management, the phone has a 1.5 GHz quad-core processor and 1GB of RAM. The performance is somewhat okay. Daily use of WhatsApp and YouTube, calling, music, the phone will run smoothly, and I don't think you will ever find it stuttering or what. And RAM management also good as and unless you use basic apps. When you move from basic to heavy apps and go to heavy multitasking, there the phone will feel sluggish and you'll find some things. But for a budget phone, I don't think we should expect much. Now talking about the gaming, I did not try to run a lot of games because I tried to install heavy games, but it was taking too much time. So I tried Subway Surfers, Nova Legacy and Temple Run, and these games ran fine, and surprisingly all three games were quite smooth, so there was no issue. Now talking about the software, the phone runs on Android Marshmallow and some Indus OS of the company's own. Talking about the battery life, the phone has a 2000 mAh battery and did last almost a full working day. I had to charge twice a day, frankly speaking, and the screen on time, as you can see. Now talking upon the camera is also not that great. It has a 5MP rear camera, 1.3 megapixel front camera. Both the cameras are pathetic, and at least back camera works okay in the daylight, but the front camera is also very bad. Now talking about the call reception and signal strength, call quality, it supports 4G VOLTE and Geo and other I have tested. There was no issue in that.
Support, so you are stuck with 32GB. Talking about the display is 1080p Full HD IPS and viewing angles are great. Display is quite sharp, but the visibility under sunlight.
So as you can see, the earpiece is only the speaker on the top side, and it's quite loud for indoors, but sometimes I had issue of hearing the call indoor outside, so maybe it should have been a little more loud, and the sound quality is also not that great. Now the device is so under 3000 rupees. Swipe Elite 4G is a good device, and if you can let go of the minor cons, the device is a good option. And thank you for watching the video. Hit like and subscribe.